Today, I will be demonstrating how to use the video to digital converter. First, you must charge the device. To charge the device, insert the small end of the USB cable into the device, and the other end into the power brick. Then, plug the power brick into the wall. Identify if your camera takes an input of RCA or AV. The way to tell is if it is RCA, there will be red, yellow, and white inputs on the camera. If it's AV, there will be a headphone-sized input. In this case today, we are using the AV input. Once the device is charged, insert the red, yellow, and white cables into the slots on the device, and the other end of the cables into the camcorder. Turn the device on by holding down the menu button for 3 seconds. Turn your camera on and go to the Playback option. Hit play on the camcorder. What is playing on your camera will appear on the device. Hit record on the device. Make sure you do not exceed 2 hours of recording at a time. This is because your audio and video will not sync up after 2 hours. Once finished recording, hit the record button once more.
You will need to download the free Prism converting software to your computer. Open your web browser and navigate to nchsoftware.com/prism/index.html. Scroll down to the section named Download Prism Video Converter Software. Select the appropriate download link according to your computer's operating system. Once the download is complete, you should find your newly downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Open up this file and follow the on-screen installation process. Now that the software is installed, we can start converting our video.
On the home screen, go to the top left corner and press File. Then press New Folder. I'm going to name this folder Home Videos. Insert the USB cord into the USB slot on your computer. Now open up Prism on the computer. Click Add Files. Click Untitled. Click DCIM. Click 100 DCIM. And select the video you want and click Open. Select the video you want to play and click Play. Now we're going to convert the movies into a file on the computer. First, select the video you want, then click Browse. Then click Desktop. Select the folder that said Home Videos and click Choose. Now click Convert. Once your file is done converting, you will find it in the Home Videos folder on your home screen. Congratulations, you have officially converted home movies to your computer. To play back videos on your device, press the Mode button to enter playback mode. To play the video, hit the Play Pause button. The video may appear jerky on the device. Do not panic. When you put the files on your computer, it will appear normal. To delete footage off the device, press the Mode button and go to Playback mode. Now press the Menu button. Scroll down using the toggle switches to select Format. Press the OK button, and now scroll down to select Execute. Now your card has officially been erased. Thanks for watching. This has been a Westwood Media Center production.